What's up guys, BeardedReality here. So today we're in like Bedfordshire and we're going to be doing this abandoned house. Apparently it's absolutely crazy, so I hope you guys enjoy this. It's meant to be wild. So I'm with Mick today, so do like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we're just going to crack on and just see how this goes. Fingers crossed it's a good one, and yeah, we'll see. So this is the place.
We go down past and come round.
Well yeah, I'm going around the back of it. It's public, isn't it?
Could be better actually, yeah. Mad minute because there's no road going to it unless there's a road behind it.
But it's an older place there. I mean, look at it.
Yeah. Old rendered pebble back.
I'm trying to decide if it's like an old farm, but it's not. Well, it is a public footpath. We're fine. We'll go in for the back then. Muddy is out.
Have a quick walk.
People have been coming in through this bit, look. Oh, I don't know. I'm not sure about that, you know. I mean, it looks like a ditch going in. Oh no, we might be alright. I don't know if that's like full on things though. Oh my god, it's so windy. Oh, I have to go for vines. What is this? Ow. Fudge. Shh. Ow. Hurts, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, ow. Because it's so that they stick right into you. Oh no! You just ripped my skin up. Oh, you just ripped my skin right off. Oh god. I'll go around here. God's sake. Oh, it's wide open, isn't it? Nice. Ow! In the face. Oh, my neck. What's this ladder? Well, that's wide open. Oh! And we are in. Hey, my name. Hey, have you seen that, like, big sheer thing? This place is old. Happy drinking. Oh, it's spices. Chinese ground ginger. I love places like this. I feel like, again, it's like quite home built as well. Oh, look at that, they've got all these jams.
Oh yeah, we make a jam.
2002.
Special reserve.
Oh, wow. These little teapots. Oh, that's cute. Have you seen... Don't know what that is. That's a bag in it.
Yeah.
Little handbag. Or camera bag, actually.
Camera bag.
Oh, wait, that's open. Somebody's opened that. What is that? It's like jam.
Used to like drinking.
Oh my. Got a suit hung up. Just everything's out and about, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's definitely seen damage, but put that away. I thought that was something on the floor then, but it's just a rug. Suit's in it though. Imagine maybe somebody's died and they've used that as the funeral suit.
Maybe.
Seems something like that.
All that lamp.
Oh yeah, burner, innit? See, that's from the film.
2001.
Isn't that from the film 9? Or 8? I don't know. Wait, does that say Daddy? Well, it definitely says Daddy, but Daddy what?
Something dead. D-A-D. No. Called. No, I don't know.
Dead back? I don't know.
Wow.
Oh, this is old. Look at you.
Wow.
I've seen you before. Pyrotechnic Guild International. Victory Sparklers. Oh yeah, so definitely older. Look at that though.
I know, it's proper old, that, isn't it? Wow.
Love that though. I love all that like that. Stuart furnishes. See, look.
68.
Yeah. Oh, film. So that's off the property itself. That's cool.
You see the mad little room, isn't it?
That's just full. Oh, you see that? Like proper little work suitcase, isn't it?
Yeah.
Imagine if we still had those nowadays. Carrying them around. Completely different time. What is this? Homemade.
Wow.
The homemade look.
Yeah.
Drawn and then stuck on. Oh, you gotta love that though.
That's it, can't go wrong.
No, but like when somebody goes to the effort to like have that to decorate their home, instead of getting like proper pieces. What else we got? So this is the firework maker's place, I think.
Right.
So this is one we were looking at before. So apparently, if it's the correct place, the guy used to make fireworks,
Yeah.
and that's why like see you find the stuff with the sparklers and other things. Yeah, Pyrotechnic Guild. Yeah, so it's a firework maker's place. This one. Could you imagine making fireworks?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Pyrotechnic.
Oh, look at that one. That's pretty. I'm excited to go upstairs. What's that? So I've got some kind of card there. I can't read it though. Why is like older people's handwriting so difficult to read?
Proper.
No entry, unsafe floor. Alright, I like the sound of that. It's proper hoard. Like proper hoarders.
Wow.
Again, look, oh wow, look at this frame. That's an old frame.
Wow.
Really old that. Look at that.
He's mental.
I love finding stuff like this. What's that?
Oh, mincer.
Oh, it is, isn't it? Yeah.
Like something like that. You put it through
Yeah.
there, it comes out down there. So that just clamps onto something like that.
Yo, we could do. This is for recording.
Yeah.
Stop. Oh. Oh, it works. Obviously not with that electric, but that's so cool.
Picture there.
So cool.
Oh,
All the china, yeah.
All the china.
Oh, yo, check this out. That's old school, isn't it?
Wow.
Right. Oh, I like that.
That.
Yeah, well, like already. It's made out of wood though. That's nice. That 60s maybe. Put the hat on. Put the hat on. It's fine. So who are you? Who are you, lovely lady? Could be when she was younger.
Yep.
It's definitely a dude that's.
Shame that's broken. That burner.
Oh, that's what I mean. It's not actual. They're all burners. They're not for lighting, which is crazy. Look at that. It's a proper old house, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at that! It's like again, I've seen people like older people do this. Don't be offended if I say older people. I just noticed this with an older.
No. Yeah,
not
yeah.
you. I'm on about in general. I just noticed that older viewers and older people, they used to collect and cut out and make paintings and do you know what I mean? And turn something else into art, which is lovely if you think about it, and gives you your own personalisation in a property.
You need to get all in it, yeah. Yeah, the pictures are mad.
Wait.
Smells a bit dodgy in there.
Oh, it does smell a bit dodgy in there. Could be these over here, to be fair, these mattresses. Well, there we go. There's a family photos. I don't know really what I'm stepping on. Because it's like, again, it seems like a lot of it is like ex-storage. Do you know what I mean?
Look at books.
Starting French. And that's wood flooring, that. Underlay.
Mortar tube.
Oh, right, yeah, fireworks.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's what I used to make, yeah.
I thought it looks like underlay though, like from the tube itself, but yeah.
Same here, look.
Fireworks galore. Wow. It's mad. Oh, look at them. They're over here. We've got some actual rockets.
Got some actual rockets in it.
I don't know. I've got some sticks. That's mad. You can hear that rain outside just kicking in. And you can see, like, I'm not the tallest, but we're touching the ceiling. Oh. Well, That's not that dangerous.
No.
Right, move that paper for me. You just step on that. Oh wow! Push me under.
Oh.
Like, no, like just lower me back.
Oh, you're back in yet? Don't stand on the back. Stand on your beams.
That's what I'm doing because there's like an old frame there. It's been ripped off though.
Wonder if this measurement might.
Oh wow! Okay.
Smells a bit.
It smells like a body.
Yeah. That's what I was going to say. This could have been a bedroom in it, but.
No, it is a bedroom.
I mean,
But it smells like a body.
Yeah, when I first opened the door, I could smell it.
Like, is there a body under one of these somewhere? Because Jesus, that stinks. Smell that. Smell it.
Smells alright. Smells alright.
Let's follow our nose. It's
there.
no, yeah.
Oh, cold, isn't it?
It's coming from over here, isn't it?
Yeah. That's only I can think they put the floorboards up.
Yeah, but like, unless somebody was killed, then that would explain a body kind of smell.
No, yeah, definitely, because that's what.
But it smells like a fresh body.
Yeah.
Like, not a fresh, but you know what I mean? Something decaying.
Yeah, 100%.
And I'm just trying to think where looks like a dodgy wall. Do you know what I mean? Where somebody's partitioned something.
Yeah.
Here, it smells here. Come here. You smell it?
Yeah.
Why is it? Why? Can't figure it out. Yeah.
Solid chimney dress.
Solid. I tell you, I'm looking now.
That's the reason why it's been taken up.
Tap that other side bit.
That's all.
There's a body coming from somewhere, I'm telling you.
Go find a dead body now.
Like what? Are these like going straight in or is it in the underlay maybe? Someone's dead anyway. Oh, here's the rain. Oh look, loads of stuff's here. Oh, and you got an outdoor toilet like I thought. Is that like some kind of speaker? Look at it, it's all come in, but it's full storage. Oh God.
Wow.
But it is, look, you know, you're standing in the telly in a... Is that a dehumidifier? Yeah, Humidix. Oh, hello, look here. Oh, it's a workshop. Look at the whole goggles, mate. Oh, is that a sharpener? Like a polisher sharpener?
Oh, you put something inside there, I think.
No, that's your polisher, look.
Right.
It is. You polish it. Or sharpen.
No, something inside it.
Oh. No, it's got to be a polisher, something's just in it. Fireworks. Look at that bad boy. He did make him himself. Look at that.
Wow.
Jesus. That's a bad boy, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, more firework. That's what he's doing, look.
Right.
For the tubing and stuff.
Yep.
Look, it's all here, yeah. Pyrotechnics galore. Yeah, look, sawdust.
Got his own little tools and stuff.
Look at that, it's a Catherine wheel.
Yeah, and then another one he's done that.
Yeah, they're all handmade. That's mad.
That is meant.
That's such a skill though as well, do you know what I mean? Like, put it this way, you'd want this kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Because you just know it's going to be amazing. That record player, oh yeah, isn't it?
Yeah, well, they're close together.
So he'd be busy making out.
Yeah.
I'm in a clamp. He'd be busy partying away. That's old, that. That's beautifully old, wow. Look, it's got even his little cupboards. Oh mate, look at this. Ah.
That's proper old, that. You know, like little test tube.
Yeah, well, that'll be for gunpowders and stuff, innit?
Yeah, measuring it like all this.
That's mad. Look, shellac there. Shellac up there.
Wow.
So guys, that's the end of this video. Got dark suddenly, you know what I mean? Wow, what a place. It's so crazy to do something like that and see somebody that specialised in something like that, because it's so different, and like seeing all the things that this guy or woman would have used and done. I think it seems like a guy though, to be fair. But wow, just a crazy place. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think, and like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I will catch you in a video soon. Peace, I'm out.